Hey guys, here's part 2. Let's see what the first item in our bag is. Ooh, a marble mash. Let's see what it is. Common. That's okay because I still love it. It even has fun colors. I feel like this one should be at least an uncommon. Let's look at the next one. A mini cotton candy poppet. This one has to be legendary. It is. This is so cool. And it's even cotton candy. 10 out of 10. By the way, I rate the marble mash a 9 out of 10. But because it breaks easily, an 8 out of 10. But because it's really easy to fix, it's back to a 9. Let's see what the next item is. Ooh, it looks like a textured monkey needle. It's a rare. Let's try it out. Oh, I love it. It feels so textured. Last but not least, our fourth item. It's a fidget pad. Oh, it's ultra rare. And it's even the one in my mom guesses the name of my Fidgets video. I think that you should definitely go check that out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment for part 2.